I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the area. Mask, goggles, gloves, and open windows so overspray clears. Next, thin and strain the paint to the sprayer's recommended viscosity. This prevents clogging and ensures even atomization. Once done, mount the nozzle and secure the cup, then prime the pump for 5–10 seconds until a smooth stream appears. Make these steps deliberate. They set the machine's baseline so your first pass is consistent and waste-free. You now dial in settings and practice. Adjust pressure to roughly 20–30 psi or follow the manual, and spray a few strokes on cardboard to confirm pattern and flow. Make sure to hold the gun 6–10 inches from the surface. This distance balances coverage and penetration. Move the wrist for steady motion, overlap each pass by half so you avoid striping, and keep a wet edge to prevent lap marks. These technique details determine finish quality. You finish by flushing the sprayer thoroughly with the appropriate solvent until runs are clear. Then disassemble and clean the nozzle, needle, and filter. Once dry, store parts in a sealed container and label leftover paint for future touch-ups. If you encounter spitting or inconsistent spray, stop immediately. Relieve pressure. Clear the tip with a supplied tool or a fine needle, restrain the paint, and lower pressure before resuming. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.